Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're exploring Coupert, a free browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best coupons, gives you cashback rewards, and helps you compare prices across online stores. It's already being used by millions of people worldwide, and once you try it, you'll see exactly why. You can find the link to download Coupert in the description below, so make sure to check it out and start saving right away. Once you install the Coupert extension, which works on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, Opera and more, it quietly gets to work in the background. Let me show you how it works in action. I'm visiting asos.com and adding an item worth $85 to my cart. When I go to the checkout page, Coupert automatically appears with a message that it found 16 available coupons. I just click Apply Coupons and Coupert starts testing all of them one by one to find the one that gives me the biggest discount. In just a few seconds, it applies the best code and saves me $13.26. The final price drops to just over $75 without me having to do anything. That's the kind of smart automation that makes shopping online a lot more enjoyable. Coupert doesn't stop there. It also offers cashback rewards on thousands of stores. On their website, you can search for retailers like Macy's, and Coupert will display all available coupons. I click on Get Code and it will reveal the code. Now, let's visit Macy's site, add something to my bag, and when I go to checkout, Coupert pops up again, this time showing a cashback offer of 2.1%. I click Activate Rewards, and that cashback is now locked in. Coupert supports cashback at over 76,000 retailers, including Temu, Macy's.com, Walmart, Sephora, and many more. You can redeem your cashback through PayPal, gift cards, or a bank card. It's a completely seamless way to earn money while you shop. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, price comparison. Let's say I'm shopping on Amazon and I find a headphone priced at $83. When I click the Coupert extension, it tells me I can get the exact same product somewhere else for $14.58 less. I click Save Now, and Coupert shows me a list of other platforms where that item is sold. It turns out the same headphones are available on eBay for just $69. This tool saves you from overpaying and makes sure you're always getting the best price, no matter where you shop. Coupert helps you save money every time you shop with automatic coupon testing, cashback rewards, and real-time price comparisons, all in one free tool. Trusted by over 9 million users and partnered with 200,000 plus stores, it's fast, simple, and effective. Click the link in the description to install Coupert, start saving instantly, and stop overpaying in 2025. Thanks for watching SoftGPT. See you next time.